So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like, who am I? 2 videos in one day, but here we are. So as you probably gathered from the title, today I will be revealing a Coach bag that was purchased last year, but you know, because like life in general, like I haven't actually been on YouTube for a while, but I'm trying my best to make a comeback and be consistent this time for you guys. So let's start with the unboxing. Welcome if you are brand new. My name's Simran and I like to make videos on various different topics, whether it be unboxing, reviews, just sharing just general shopping things that I purchased that somebody else in the world might be interested in purchasing as well and would like to have a look prior. So without further ado, let's get unboxing the new Coach bag. So Coach bag arrived in the Coach box. So you've got your Coach box itself. It came pretty much wrapped up like so. Inside the box, so the bag literally came in the box like so. Inside the box you get your bag. I'm going to take the bag out because let's see what else was in there. It's been a while now, guys. But it's a classic bag, so you still can actually purchase this bag. This is the only reason why I'm unboxing it with you guys. So in the box, you receive obviously your Coach receipt, return policy, all the policies which are there. You also receive a strap. Now you know what colour the bag is. You also do receive stuffing to keep your bag nice and clean. You've got your Coach authenticity card to prove that it's real. That's important. Obviously you've got the tag itself. This bag is actually called the Cassie bag and it's in the black. So yeah, that was pretty much the box. Now it's time to look at the bag itself. So you receive your beautiful Coach dust bag, which most bags do have, and here she is. This is the small size Cassie Coach bag. So with this, you do have the option to wear this with the chain. I went with the black because I figured it's a nice color to have. It kind of goes with everything. However, I am contemplating of purchasing other colors now, but probably a different style. You can use a chain on your shoulder. You can use a chain just to carry the bag. It's a beautiful gold chain. You've got the top handle as well, which I really liked about this bag. I just think it's a cute dinky bag. However, if you want to use it as a crossbody, you can do as well. Literally, you can pop on this onto one side and this on the other. So you've got options. You can use it as a crossbody and you can also use it as a shoulder bag as well. I think the bag's stunning itself. For the amount of use it's had, it looks pretty good. You also do receive the leather tag on the side as well. So yeah, I mean, I was quite happy and quite impressed with the quality of Coach. I've never actually purchased a Coach bag before, but now I think I am actually a fan of Coach itself. So if it's something that you have been thinking of, I also did get the matching Coach purse as well. So with this, obviously you've got like, it's like a key holder, kind of like my Louis Vuitton one, but I figured this one matches the bag. So you've got literally key space for your cards. Yeah, just a beautiful all-rounder key holder, which is also in the black. So that was my mini reveal for you guys. This is the Coach Cassie bag in real leather. It's grain leather as well, which is good, so it doesn't get tarnished or damaged quickly. It's a great investment, and they match. They look cute together. What I'll do for you guys, I will link the items below in the description box, so then you guys can have a look for yourself as well. So without further ado, thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me. I hope you have enjoyed my mini reveal and unboxing. But so far, I would highly recommend this bag. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's an everyday bag. I feel like it's still chic, but it's not OTT, if that makes sense. So yeah, we've thoroughly enjoyed using this bag. I do actually have a white one as well, to be fair, which I probably will unbox in another video, but not today. However, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, like, share, comment in the description box. Thank you.